Hey YouTube, it's T Garcia here again, and this came in the mail today. A box. I don't know what it is, but my mom said it's a new Trackmaster. She bought it on eBay, but the box said it was from Amazon Prime. Look, see for yourself. On Fire Phone, on Amazon Prime, introducing Fire Phone. I don't remember that. But, oh well, so I'll just open this up and see what it is. Crap. This is gravel. I open the box. I cannot believe this. It's Trackmaster BoCo. The Metropolitan Diesel. Wow. Oops, now because I'm going just off the rails. I can't believe this. I wanted BoCo. My mom said she ordered it 3 days ago, and bam, it ordered very quickly. Wow. So, we'll open up BoCo, shall we? Okay, guys, so here's BoCo, the diesel. Wow, he's very long. Okay. Yeah, so here's the Bugaton's diesels. Wow. Okay. Wow. So I'll go ahead and review him on the turntable I made. Shall we? Okay, guys, so here is the diesels I have. My Trackmaster diesels. There's 6 of them. So let's go ahead and review the coach and boring. Let's review BoCo, shall we? Too bad this turntable is not motorized or doesn't have a handle, so it looks like I have to spin him. It looks like I have to. Okay. Spin BoCo. Okay, BoCo is a Metropolitan diesel. His class, however, most of them were died, scrapped. They said it was useless. Now BoCo, however, has Kobe wheels on the front, and bogey wheels on the back. Now that's one thing, and he's a Kobo diesel. Now that's my one thing I want to know. Why is he called BoCo? It sounds like Bogey Kogi. Okay, that's my main one thing. It sounds like he was going backwards or something. Anyways, so let's just take a zoom in, shall we? You know that he's from the British Railways. He's a little British Railways logo here. Doesn't want to focus. The camera doesn't want to focus. His number, D5702. The windows on BoCo on the back wasn't painted. I'll fix that soon. Wow, Trackmaster BoCo. I don't know what type of engine he is. Alright, know what year he was from. But it comes with instructions, so I'll see the instructions. It has all the Trackmaster ones. Instructions and hey, wait a minute. This is just a 2010 Trackmaster BoCo. How, Steve? Well, good question. Look! Let's let me step up the instructions. Well, fall 2010. I got a 2010 BoCo. Wow. This is something we don't see often today. Okay, so here's the map. The sections of engines. You can see them. Wow. Now, where's that BoCo? I don't actually see him. He's not there. But the only engines I'm missing are Iron Bert, Iron Airy. Where's Iron Airy? It doesn't put there. I need Iron Bert, Iron Airy, and Stephanie. They're the only engines I'm missing. Okay. So BoCo is my 7th diesel I bought. The first diesel I bought was Rusty. Yeah, the narrow gauge engines. Rusty was the first diesel I have. What was the second diesel I have? The second one was Paxton. Third one was Start. The fourth one was Diesel. Well, actually, Diesel. However, I have a Diesel, but it's broken. The one you saw in my an RC Diesel 10, Salty. RC Diesel 10, a hardworking Diesel, Salty, and now BoCo. Join the Diesels. Oops, that rail that came off. All the Diesels here. Welcome to my series, BoCo. Welcome. Okay. Welcome, BoCo. I can't believe I finally got him. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.